Okay, welcome to the next video. So I'm gonna start putting my shelving on this side of the wall, but I realized that because I want to put drop ceiling here, I can't put my shelves in because I won't be able to work on the ceiling. So I'm going to rip down this piece and I'm gonna rip down just a bit of ceiling here so I can get started. And then I'll start with my shelving. So we'll do a quickie little time lapse of me ripping all this stuff out because you've seen that stuff before. Okay, let's get started. Now this is another reason I'm pulling this off, because I want to screw my drop ceiling tracking into this, but I was pretty sure there was wiring in here. So I'm just going to rip all the drywall off and I'll put a pine board up here or something. Something I can screw into safely. There we go. All the ceiling is down in just this area. But I found something really cool in here that you might enjoy seeing. Look how that pipe is held in. That is amazing. I have no words for that. Yeah, it's the only one though. Think? Yeah? Alright. Well, back to Home Depot to get a board to cover this up. And then I'll work on my shelves. Okay, since I'm waiting for that board to complete my shelving area, I'm going to rip down this drywall section here. I'm going to start, I'm going to put my cut here. Everything from here over is going to get ripped down. And I'll put a little drop down here. And that's where my drop ceiling will continue all the way to the other end of the wall here. And I'll put some, this will get replaced with a pot light. And I'll move the smoke detector somewhere else. We'll figure it out when we get there. So first things first, I'm going to mark my line. I'm going to line up my ceiling. That's where my cut will be. And same thing on this side. That's where I'm cutting. Okay, so I don't have any straight edge I can really use for this. So I had to sacrifice a board to give me a straight line. And this is not the board I'm going to use for this area, but it'll do. There we go. And that's where I'm cutting. On this side, I'm going to rip this face down along with the ceiling. I'll just replace the whole thing. I don't want to take these lights down yet, so I'm just going to score some lines. Then I'll take down the ceiling in chunks. You know what? I think I'm probably just gonna rip this thing down and rebuild it. It's only held together with plumber strap. So scrap it. I'm also going to be rebuilding this section anyway, so yeah, scrap it.